Hey guys, Sam Leshell here. Today we're going to talk about how you can make $5 fast. If you're looking to make $5 right now, you're not alone. Sometimes you just need money right now. You need it for another reason. But I've created a couple of videos like this where you can make $10 fast, $100 fast. And granted, it's going to take you a little bit of your time, but I promise the options that I'm about to mention are legitimate. So if you sign up and work at it a little bit, you will make some money. And I promise you that you can make $5 mostly by the end of the day. Okay, let's start with number one. This is free cash. You can get paid to take surveys. You can get paid to open up bank accounts and offers and whatnot. You can see there's over 769 offers here, some paying hundreds of dollars. It's as simple as installing apps and doing things. Install TikTok, make $1.50. Buy Deal Dash and place a bid, get $22. And some of these are pretty big money makers. There's a lot of options here. It's quickly becoming one of the biggest companies online right now. I'm on it. I have $64 that I can cash out. Every 10,000 points is worth $10. Earning $5 with surveys or any of these options on here is very easy. They pay instant with PayPal, crypto, and other options, as Amazon gift card and that. That's definitely becoming one of my favorites to work on the side. I just do a little bit here and there. And if you can get on and start working, I promise you, you can make that $5 pretty quick. And the great thing is there's no approval process. You just sign up, put in legitimate information, you can get started right now. Next one I want to talk about here is Swagbucks. This is one that can earn you money pretty quick. Usually their payouts are anywhere from 24 to 48 hours if you're just starting out. Go to the survey section here and they have bonus days. Like right now when I'm doing this video, what I like to do is just sort by the Swagbuck amount. Every Swagbuck is worth a penny. So this one right here is going to be worth over $5 and it's 20 minutes of your time. Usually this is kind of overestimated. It usually doesn't take 20 minutes. It usually takes maybe 15, sometimes 10. But in this case, you won't approve for every survey you take. I would say about 20% of the ones you click on you'll be approved for. But Swagbucks is the biggest in the research industry. It's another one of my favorites. I like to do offers. Sometimes they do the surveys. But you can see here, this is $4.50, almost $4. This one's a good one, 13 minutes for $3. You can see that you can earn your points pretty quick here. When it comes time to cash out, just go to your rewards section here. You can see they have a whole bunch of rewards. If you're just interested in getting PayPal or Amazon, for example, they have those options. But if it is PayPal that you want, it's going to start at $5. Just going to click on that, cash out, and you usually get it again within 24 to 48 hours. And once you move the rank, they will start to send out payments instantly. Let's check out another one here. This is branded surveys. It's not the favorite of all the ones I mentioned, but it is one to consider. Every point is worth a penny. You can see on my profile page here, I have $1 one, well, 95 cents, 68 cents, 86 cents. This is almost $1 for about 7 minutes of your time. And again, this length usually is a little higher than expected. This should only take you about 3 or 4 minutes to complete. These surveys will keep refreshing throughout the day. You only need 500 points to cash out. And once you do, you can do PayPal. You can choose from a variety of other options as well, but it'll only take you about 24 to 48 hours to get that payout. Again, this is pretty fast. It's surveys. Some find them boring. Some find them whatever. They're worth the time, but it's up to you. Every company I mentioned is legit, so if you are interested, just follow those links to earn your $5 fast. If you like playing game, Misplay is another one to consider. It's on the Google Play Store. It's as simple as downloading this app, and then when you download it, you're just going to discover games on your platform. If you want to get paid to play games, it's possible. It's not going to make you a ton, but this is the best app that pays you. There are a lot of other ones online, but this is one of the better ones that'll pay you pretty fast. And it's as simple as just downloading the app, playing the games, and either leveling up or playing for a certain amount of time, and then you can earn money and do so. As a fair warning, you will not make a lot of money doing this, but if you want $5 for whatever reason, this is something that you could consider downloading. If you can get accepted, Prolific.co is one of the best survey sites on the internet. They work with academic studies. They work with reputable companies such as Google and artificial intelligence. And every survey that pops up on your dashboard, you qualify for. That's what makes it great about it. This is my #1 favorite survey site. Once you earn enough, you get paid instantly. You go straight to your PayPal account, and you can easily earn $5 plus a day, sometimes more depending on your demographic. But it's one of the simplest sites out there. There's a reason there's a wait list, but I just wanted to mention it because it's a great way to make $5 fast, but there's a good chance you won't get accepted based on your demographic. They'll put you on a wait list. But if anything, put yourself on the wait list and then you can thank me later. Okay, so that's going to do it for now. If you want to make $5 fast, these are some of my favorite ways. There are other ways to make money, of course, but it's going to take more of your time, such as Uber and DoorDash and other options like that. But just test the little survey sites out like Prolific and that you might find you're going to use on a daily basis. And I promise you some of them, they're going to make you money, but you'll never get rich with any of these. If you're just looking to make a couple bucks in your free time, try them out. You won't be disappointed with most. And of course, I'll put the link in the description. And as always, go to leshdollar.com as well. I have other ways to make money. I just tell you how it is, what's out there, and my honest opinion, and you can just go from there. So like, comment, subscribe. It always helps me out. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.